gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leakesville and Lucedale. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Mobile, and Washington, and the following counties in Mississippi: George and Greene,